Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this ugly face, I am Shay with the pow pow. I did biceps today too, and the biceps is biceping. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, as far as this weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. I'm happy to be back in the $5 club for real. I'm just hoping that I can actually hit that. I did do the razors yesterday, and yeah. So, and I did Purcell yesterday as well. So today I just only need I think I need 7 or 8 more. So I'm hoping I can knock that out. Now the larger bonus, if I get close enough to that, then I may hit that. Not today though, for sure. If I get some resets, I can hit those tomorrow. Because that bonus expires tomorrow. And so if I get pretty close, we just gonna knock it out. As far as Flavor Wiki, now I did mention in my last video we got a lot of food surveys, and I was super excited because some of them are high value. I was like, OMG, I think one or two were like 132, and but I didn't qualify for any of them. I mean I didn't do them all. I didn't qualify. I stopped doing them after the third one I got disqualified for. Now, Flavor Wiki, because we know you like to watch. Can you ask me to state at 1%? Or better yet, if you know that I don't qualify in California, don't even send it to me because it's a waste of time. I think they ask you to state at 80, 90%, they ask you to state, and then they disqualify you. So, for those of you who've done it, and let me know if you got it or not, because I didn't. Oh, happy Mother's Day, you guys. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And does pet moms count? Huh? Does pet moms count? I feel like in a way it does, because a lot of people be treating their pets. That's my daughter. That's my son. That's my family member. A lot of people will put down their life for their pet. So I feel like to that degree, pet moms do count. So happy Mother's Day. With that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can get. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal we're gonna grab is on the Siete. So we have a bonus for this particular brand. There's maybe 5 or 6 different products you can get. That's buy 2 get back $1 bonus, or buy 3 get back $1.75. So I'm going to give you 2 options. The first one is going to be to grab the seasoning. It's priced at $2.44. Now, the first 2, the mild taco seasoning and the chicken fajita seasoning, those both double attached with the taco kit, 10-cent any. These 3 did not. So I'll be grabbing one of these, probably the taco seasoning, priced at $2.44. I'm also going to be grabbing the beans down here, priced at $2.62. Okay, I did find these dollar coupons when I was at Vaughn's yesterday. It's good till the end of the year. I only grabbed a few because I didn't know if I was going to use them. So if it resets, I might just go get some more. Or not. And so it's priced at $2.62. So both are going to come to $5.06. We'll use 2 of these Terra Pack coupons. That's going to bring that total down to $3.06. And then we'll get back a total of $2.10 for my Ibotta, brings me down to 48 cents each. Now, if you want to grab 3 products, the next cheapest item is the salsa up here, priced at $4.68. These 3 products, minus the coupon, you'll pay $6.74, getting back a total of $3.95 on Ibotta. It would make them 93 cents each. I think I'm just going to go ahead and grab 2 because I really don't want to pay a lot for this. Okay, real quick, egg check. Eggs are down to $26. Last time I think we checked, it was like $30. I got some from Costco yesterday for $17 though, for 5 dozens, which is awesome. How much are eggs for you guys? Oh, is that a coupon up there? Oh my gosh. It's probably not a coupon. Let's see. Ooh, it's save $1. Save $1. Oh my gosh. There's an offer on Ibotta for 50% back. What would that make that? It would make that cost you like $1 something. I could probably get that. Because it would make it $1. Wait, hold on. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to do this deal. Because it does exceed the coupon, and most offers, I still get it. But last time I did the creamer stuff, and I didn't get it. And I always feel weird when it comes to bringing back food to Walmart. I'll do it, but I'd be feeling hella weird. So I'm not gonna do this deal, but if you want to do it, you want to try it, then after the coupon, you'll pay $3.43, getting back to 25 on that bottle, make it 118, which is not bad. But I'm not about to chance it. Okay, so I was looking for the Oatly, the original one. It's a blue container. They're priced at $5.38. It's a freebie on Ibotta, but I guess the store doesn't carry it. So I may check another store and see if I can find it. If you can, it's free. All right, so this next deal I can't find. I don't even think they carry it in my area though. It's on the Brutus dog broth. I think last time I got that, I got it from Target though. It's priced at $7.97, getting back an aisles offer of $7.97 plus $2 on Ibotta. Makes it a $2 moneymaker. I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. So this next deal is on the beech nut meats. I do still have 2 OTC offers for this. That offer is no longer available though. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $2.28. I'm gonna scan both of the OTC coupons, making them free. Plus, I'll get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta. Plus, I do have a $1 bonus, not bonus, but a $1 back on Fetch Reward for buying 5. Last time I bought 4, so this will give me back the $1 there, making them both free, plus a $2 moneymaker. All right, I'm actually rather surprised that they have these restocked. So we're gonna go ahead and do the Airwick Advance. It did reset for us. The deal that just keeps on coming, right? Ba-bum-bum. Anyways, listen, so we're gonna grab one price at $3.98, getting back 4 on Ibotta, makes it a 2-cent moneymaker, limit of 3. I think I'm gonna pass on Walmart rewards for today. Save some for the next person that comes in line to get this deal. Maybe they'll be just as excited that they actually have some. You know, like I am. And of course, I had to do the Purcell again, priced at $5.44. Grabbing 2 of them, using 2 of the Pillies will bring the total down to $6.88, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $1.50 on inbox dollars, makes them 69 cents each. All right, so I'm gonna try this deal. One of you guys said that the $2 hang tag works on the ones that are $197. So I'm going to try it, all right? So I'm going to grab one at $197. I still have one of these $2 hang tags I'm going to use. Hopefully it makes it free, and then I'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. So this deal, it's at your mouths are going to vary because the coupon expired, all right? It's a Knox coupon, meaning it doesn't have an expiration date, right? So I always usually save those coupons. Like if I don't use them all, I just keep them. And so this is a $4 coupon that we got last month. So I grabbed another set of the razors. I grabbed 2 of the Extreme. It's priced at $6.78. With that $4 coupon, it brought the total down to $2.78, and then I got back $3 on Ibotta plus a 10-cent any razor. As well, made that a 32-cent moneymaker with the limit of 2. I also grabbed the Skintimate again down here, which is priced at $6.27. Using the $4 coupon, paying $2.27, getting back $3 on Ibotta, made that a 73-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. And I grabbed 2 of those. Next up is the Colgate Total Gum Protection. It's priced at $5.96. Getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Swagbucks as well, making that 96 cents. Last thing I'm gonna grab is the Colgate toothbrush, the foam cleaner one. It popped back up on Ibotta. It's priced at $5.22 right here. Getting back $4 on Ibotta makes that $1.22. I know we do have an offer for, I believe, a 2 count as well for $6 back, making that $3.42 for a 2-pack. And so yeah. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really good. I ended up not going to another store to grab the beech nut or the Oakley. So I may go tomorrow. I just didn't feel like being out long this morning, to be honest. And so everything here worked out good. I did hit my weekend bonus, which is cool. As far as the larger bonus, I'll pop up where I am as far as that. Now, I did Purcell and the razors yesterday. So if that resets for, well, that should reset for me today. I'll do it again, maybe later. Or I might just wait till tomorrow and do the rest of them if they reset as well. And so I may actually be hitting the larger bonus, so we'll see. Again, I did do the razors yesterday. I went to a regular cashier
And I was just like, hopefully these scan for me. And she was like, oh, okay. And so she scanned them. I don't know if she looked at the expiration date, but she scanned them and they went through. That was yesterday. That was this receipt right here. As you can see, the coupon scanned, and that was the per sale on there as well. Those are pillies, those worked as well. For the razors. So yeah, I wasn't sure if it was going to work out with the regular cashier, but it did. I only did the advance for Ibotta because I was just like, let me just leave some for the next person because I really don't need to do it for both. I have a quadrillion of those. Quadrillion. All right. What else? Now, really quick with the Colgate, the cashier, she rung it twice. So I had her take off one. I'm so happy that I caught it because as you know with Ibotta, if I would have paid for both and then I would have went to customer service and they would have returned the money for one of them, it looks like a return. Whether I got two and the limit was one, it don't even matter. Ibotta would have most likely reversed it. And so I was happy that I caught it because I've been slipping when it comes to looking at, them scan stuff and making sure that everything is right. But I'm happy that I caught that because I would have most likely had to deactivate the offer on Ibotta, submit the receipt, and then reactivate it and then repurchase it. And I didn't really want to do all that today. And so I'm happy that worked out. As far as the per sale on Fetch Reward, I'm a little closer to hitting that threshold. I hope that it sticks around a little longer so that I can finally get it. As far as the Snuggle, that coupon did work with that. So big shout out to the person who shared that with me. I don't remember who it was. It was a while ago. And so the Snuggle was scanned first. There goes the coupon that adjusted down to $197. The coupons for the Siete, those both worked as well. And then as you can see, the Colgate was last and she scanned it twice. And so yeah. But yeah, so this worked out pretty good. I'll just show you both my receipts. I only had 2 receipts for this, which is really cool. Other than that, everything you see here retails $67.13. We had $22 in coupons. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $45.13. Our sales tax was $5.44, which is crazy because that's the price of one of those per sales. Getting back a total of $42.75 from Ibotta. Swagbucks is $2. I'm not counting the fact that I got back 5 because she scanned me for 2. When I submitted the receipt for Swagbucks, I just activated for 1, but it still picked it up as 2. So I'm not counting the extra $3. So it's just $2 from Swagbucks and then $1.50 from Inbox Dollars, getting back a total of $46.25 makes this a $1.12 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Again, I will work on the larger bonus probably tomorrow, and I'll add whatever I do for that in my next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers for tomorrow. I want to see hearts, flowers, lovey type stuff in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.